Welcome to Hack Your Health, the channel where food becomes your greatest defense. Did you know that something as tiny as a seed could carry nature's most powerful anti-cancer weapons? For centuries, healers and modern researchers alike have uncovered the truth. Inside these small shells lie molecules that can fight inflammation, starve cancer cells, and strengthen your immune defenses, all without expensive supplements or harsh treatments. Today, we're diving into 6 incredible seeds that cancer hates, and seniors especially should eat daily to help their bodies stay resilient, youthful, and protected. Before we start, make sure to subscribe if you believe food can heal. Your support helps us share science-backed natural remedies with the world. Let's begin. Our story starts deep inside the human body, where trillions of cells work non-stop. Every second, your body replaces about 10 million cells, but sometimes things go wrong. Damaged DNA, toxins, and oxidative stress cause cells to mutate, divide uncontrollably, and form tumors. That's where nature steps in. Seeds, the literal life sources of plants, contain concentrated compounds designed to protect new life. And that same protection works inside us, too. Take flax seeds, for example. These tiny brown or golden seeds are loaded with lignans, phytoestrogens that can balance hormones and suppress certain types of cancer growth, especially breast and prostate cancer. Lignans help block excess estrogen that fuels tumors, while omega-3 fatty acids calm inflammation throughout the body. When seniors add just 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed to their oatmeal or smoothie daily, studies show reduced markers of inflammation and improved cell repair. The secret is to grind them. Whole flax seeds pass right through your system untouched. Next, let's talk about chia seeds, the ancient Aztec secret for energy and endurance. Chia seeds contain alpha-linolenic acid, a plant omega-3 that boosts cellular regeneration and slows cancer cell division. Their fiber feeds your gut microbiome, producing short-chain fatty acids that reduce toxins and strengthen the immune system, your first line of defense against cancer. When soaked overnight, chia forms a gel that hydrates your body, supports detox, and stabilizes blood sugar, all key factors for seniors preventing chronic disease. The third seed in our anti-cancer lineup is pumpkin seeds, nature's mineral powerhouse. Just a small handful offers zinc, magnesium, and antioxidants that fight free radicals, unstable molecules that damage DNA. But there's more. Pumpkin seeds also contain cucurbitacin E, a natural compound studied for its ability to stop cancer cells from growing and spreading. For seniors, zinc also means a stronger immune system and better wound healing. Your body's way of staying resilient even in older age. Now, here's a surprising one. Sesame seeds. They might look simple, but sesame seeds are rich in sesamin and sesamolan, 2 powerful lignans with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds reduce oxidative stress in the liver, where toxins often accumulate. A cleaner liver means fewer carcinogens circulating in your bloodstream. In traditional medicine, sesame was known as a longevity food. Modern science now shows why. The healthy fats improve cell membrane flexibility, helping your cells communicate better and repair faster. Next up, sunflower seeds, a true superfood for your immune and hormonal balance. Sunflower seeds are packed with vitamin E, one of the strongest antioxidants for neutralizing free radicals. This nutrient protects your cell membranes and supports white blood cell function, your body's cancer-fighting soldiers. A daily handful can also lower C-reactive protein levels, an inflammation marker linked to cancer and heart disease. And for seniors, vitamin E helps maintain brain health and joint flexibility, making sunflower seeds a double win. Finally, the mighty black cumin seed, also known as Nigella sativa. Ancient Egyptians called it the seed of blessing, and they were right. Modern research confirms its compound, thymoquinone, can suppress tumor formation, protect DNA, and even trigger cancer cell death, a process known as apoptosis. Black cumin seeds also enhance the body's antioxidant enzymes, creating an internal shield against toxins, pollution, and processed food damage. Just half a teaspoon of black cumin seed oil daily, mixed with honey or warm water, can strengthen the immune system from within. Now imagine this. You start your morning with warm lemon water, followed by oatmeal topped with flaxseed, chia, and a sprinkle of sunflower seeds. For lunch, a green salad with pumpkin seeds and sesame dressing, and before bed, a teaspoon of black cumin oil. That's not just a diet, that's daily protection. These seeds work in synergy, meaning their nutrients amplify each other's effects. Together, they reduce inflammation, support detox organs like the liver and kidneys, and help your immune cells identify and destroy abnormal cells before they become dangerous. But remember, seeds are powerful, and balance matters. Avoid over-roasting them, as high heat destroys delicate fatty acids. Choose raw or lightly toasted seeds. And because seeds are calorie-dense, moderation is key, about 2 to 3 tablespoons total per day. Many seniors ask, can seeds really make a difference at my age? The answer is yes. Studies show it as never too late to influence gene expression, the process that turns certain protective or harmful genes on or off. When you nourish your body with antioxidants, lignans, and omega-3s from seeds, you're literally telling your cells to repair, protect, and renew. Here's a secret tip. Pair seeds with vitamin C-rich foods like berries, kiwi, or lemon juice. Vitamin C helps absorb minerals like zinc and boosts the antioxidant synergy even further. Before we wrap up, let us bust a common myth. Many people think seed oils are the same as eating whole seeds. They're not. Refined seed oils often lose nutrients during processing and can become inflammatory, but whole seeds, or cold-pressed, minimally processed seed oils, retain all their healing properties. So, if you want to age gracefully, protect your cells, and keep your immune system sharp, add these 6 cancer-fighting seeds to your daily meals. Remember, prevention isn't about fear. It's about empowerment. Each healthy choice you make rewrites your body's story, no matter your age. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hack Your Health for more natural ways to live longer, stronger, and pain-free. For educational purposes only, not medical advice.